Good morning, everybody. It is your daily crypto news for Friday, April 19th, 2024. My name is Matt, and we are around 12 hours away from the halving, the Bitcoin halving. That is, I don't know if you knew that there was a thing going on that happens around every 4 years. Well, we are 12 hours away, so that means around, we'll call it 9 o'clock tonight, 8:30 tonight, we will see a drop from 6.25 Bitcoin rewards to 3.125 Bitcoin. So what does that mean for everybody? I'm not too sure. I'm still going to stick to my guns and say that we're going to go down and sideways for quite some time. Because yesterday, Bitcoin's price dropped below $60,000. It was at $59,573. I think, honestly, that had a lot to do with some geopolitical issues that are happening right now, more so than the Bitcoin halving. I think that everybody just was freaking out and panicked and put a little bit of their capital out. But that means that Bitcoin has fell around 18% since its all-time high just a month ago at $73,737. But just like that, once we have a pullback, we have a spike, a jump up, a jolt, I didn't plan on waking up to a $65,000 Bitcoin. Well, at least when I made this screenshot, if you're on YouTube, it was $64,978. And we don't know what the hell's going on. Honestly, that surprised a lot of people, which sparked headlines from Decrypt saying, how will traders handle volatility ahead of Bitcoin halving? Analysts are split, and they are. This is always a contentious issue. I mean, if you want to say that history repeats itself or at least rhymes, then we will go down into the side. But we don't know really, because we do have some variables that are in place. Bitcoin ETFs are out there. Yet while we have daily inflows, we also have Grayscale selling a hell of a lot of Bitcoin every day. We have the miners that are going to have to readjust everything to stay in profit. I mean, remember, if they're making $100,000 a month with a 6.25 Bitcoin reward, they're going to have to make $100,000 now with 3.125 Bitcoin. Means that number goes up or they shut their business down. And Glassnode's lead analyst, James Check, who goes by the Twitter handle @_checkmatey_, said that a cool down is underway on the faster 30-day indicator, which is what we want to see for a proper reset. And if you guys are a little bit worried and a little bit bearish, the compound annual growth rate of Bitcoin over a 4-year cycle, the past 4 years, is over 72%. Now, are you going to believe Glassnode or are you going to believe JP Morgan? JP Morgan analyst says that Bitcoin has already been overbought. We don't expect Bitcoin's price to increase post-halving. This price, as the halving, is already priced in. Chase Bank added that the lack of venture capital funding in the crypto space will also contribute to a lower Bitcoin value. Look, obviously time will tell. That's the only thing we can do. Have diamond hands, sit here, hodl, wait. Obviously this is not financial advice, but as Crypto Gains Wizard tweeted, good morning fam, Bitcoin price during post-halving. In 2012, halving day, Bitcoin's price was $12. Exactly 1 year later, it was $1,013. In 2016 on halving day, it was $648. Exactly a year later, it was $2,501. The halving of 2020, it was $8,570. 1 year later, it was $56,765. So, y'all take that for whatever you want. I'm pretty comfortable with what I'm doing. Is I'm making daily crypto news every day for you. So what I'm going to do is wake up every day, Monday through Friday, and make sure that I'm letting you know what I know. And today is Asia Focus. So Sarah is going to tell you what she knows about Asian news.
Hey, this is Sarah. Welcome back to Asia Focus Dubai edition number 2. It's been a wonderful week meeting crypto people in real life. If you haven't contacted me yet, Sarah at dailycryptonews.net if you'd like a cup of coffee with me. All right, let's go. Hong Kong's leading bank HSBC is set to expand its footprint in tokenization of real-world assets. Tokenized products digitally represent assets on blockchain platforms This method allows direct access for investors or distribution through intermediaries. The Securities and Futures Commission of Hong Kong, SFC, has recognized that the tokenization of real-world assets is essential for modernizing trading and financial practices. So HSBC is focusing on tangible assets such as gold, bonds, and HSBC deliberately avoids cryptocurrency. Okay, so tokenized assets are like NFTs. If you have listened or gonna listen to our this week's roundup, I believe asset tokenization can be a tangible use case in crypto. But this type of asset tokenization through traditional banks like HSBC won't be using public blockchain. It's most likely gonna be in their private blockchain, but somehow this RWA narrative is hitting everywhere. So this news is gonna hit hard on the crypto scene to reinforce the RWA products. That being said, which project are you guys looking at in RWA sector? Share some gems. Sarah at dailycryptonews.net. The prominent Japanese trading platform SBI VC Trade, the crypto division of SBI Japan, has opened an application window for a staking service that generates passive income for Shiba Inu and other selected cryptocurrencies. The service allows cryptocurrency holders to lend out their idle crypto assets to earn rental fees during the lending period. SBI VC Trade offers this lending service for 20 supported cryptocurrencies. This includes Litecoin, Polkadot, Cardano, Chainlink, Solana, and Avalanche. However, the recruitment window for participants to commit their crypto assets is open for 7 crypto assets: Ripple, Stellar, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Bitcoin, BCH, and DAI stablecoin. The application deadline is on April 25th. You're expected to earn at an annual rate of 2%, while BCH holders can earn 5%. Interesting product, right? And also bold product. The South Korean won took the position of most used currency, topping the US dollar for trading crypto during the first quarter of 2024. Woohoo! According to the research firm Kaiko, the cumulative won trade volume on centralized crypto exchanges during the period recorded $456 billion, while the US dollar reported $445 billion, the data showed. 5 fully licensed exchanges, Upbit, Bithum, CoinOne, Corbit, and GoPax, dominate the local market, where frontrunners Upbit takes up over 80% of the market share on most days, according to Kaiko. I want to say this. Koreans are very susceptible to FOMO. And the cryptocurrency market is 80% FOMO, if I'm being a bit dramatic. But it's true, right? So our sentiment is aligned. And Koreans love following trends. We love to give peer pressures. So whenever there is new crypto trends coming in and somebody's talking about it and somebody's aping in, oh man, we have to also go in. Another factor is that we love to go all in. So our buying power is very, very strong. And I'm very surprised that there is actually a research firm checking about this. But yeah, that's why we have a Daily Crypto News Korea. All right, that's all for today.
Here comes the money. Here we go. Money talk.
And the time is 9:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Savings Time, 59 neutral. Bitcoin sitting at $64,807, up 4.2% in 24. It was actually over 65,000 just a minute ago. So where are we going? Who knows? Ethereum's at 3,100, up 2.7. Tether's number 3. Binance is at 560, up 3.5. And Solana is up 8.5% at 143. Running off the top 10, we have USDC, XRP, Toncoin at the number 8 spot, Dogecoin at the number 9 spot, and Cardano. The total market cap is at 2.35 trillion, a Bitcoin dominance of 54.3 and an ETH dominance of 15.9. And that was our show today. I hope you have a great day, and please do me a favor, go to Apple Podcasts, like, subscribe, share, leave us a comment. If you're on Spotify, click those 5 stars, and please sign up to our Substack. Please. so you can get these daily news reports that we put out. Well, it's a summary of the podcast for the most part. And we have a lot of extra stuff. We have our weekly news. I put up 2 or 3 politics podcasts every week. We have interviews. That's all behind the subscription wall. So please head over to Substack. And also over there, you can leave me direct messages. You can have comments to the stories. I want to engage in conversation. I love debating. So if you disagree with anything, please let me know. Matt at dailycryptonews.net, or do that in Substack. And until tomorrow.
Happy holidays.